So just by switching a couple of capacitors, this is now an analog hi-hat circuit. Let's listen to the sound coming from the speaker. I just basically have a 555 timer giving the trigger. To avoid the loud click of the 555 timer, I have it going through a voltage divider just to decrease the voltage a little bit. Basically it goes into this envelope generator portion of the circuit. So the trigger usually goes off and on, and then the capacitor here, which is a 10 microfarad capacitor, makes it a short trigger pulse. That short trigger pulse goes through this 33K resistor. I didn't have an actual 33K resistor, and what that does is it ultimately triggers the white noise generator, which is in this little transistor here. It's a 2N2222 transistor, the 12 volt input voltage is applied to the emitter side, causing it to break down, and the output goes from the emitter to the base. The collector is not connected to anything, and that's going through this little amplifier stage of these two transistors, and the output goes from that orange wire into an LM386 just to amplify it so we can hear it. And that's it. That works pretty well. Now if I apply the circuit directly from the 555 timer, you get a loud click. Let me take this resistor out, and let's try to do that. And you hear that click that comes in as the signal goes off and on. It's significantly louder, but we don't want that click. And that gets rid of the click just by putting it through a resistor voltage divider. Let me actually divide the voltage by putting this transistor to ground here. And here's the sound. Thanks for watching.